Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening files or photos and locating the document or image you want to preview. Tap it once to open the Quick Look or Preview view so you don't launch a full app. Once the file is visible, tap the markup or pen icon at the top. This immediately gives you annotation tools. Make sure you're on the iPad, not in an email preview, so edits save back to the original location. Now you're ready for precise edits and annotations. Now focus on the how and why of editing. Choose the pen or highlighter to mark important lines. Use the text tool to add labels because typed notes stay crisp when you zoom. To manage pages, tap the thumbnail view, then drag to reorder or swipe to delete. This keeps the document organized. Use pinch to zoom for fine work and the two-finger tap as a quick undo. Once done, double-check annotations sit on the right page so nothing shifts during export. Finish by tapping Done so your edits save to the original file or album. This avoids accidental loss. If you need a separate copy, use Share and Export as PDF to send or save to iCloud, Mail, or another app. Make sure recipients get the flattened file if you need fixed annotations. If markup or page tools are missing, duplicate the file and edit the copy, or update iPad OS and relaunch files. This usually resolves missing tools without losing work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.